Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to log into your Sprout Social account. Just follow these easy instructions to get started. Step 1. Open your browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for optimum performance. Step 2. Go to the Sprout Social login page. In the address bar, type in the URL for Sprout Social, www.sproutsocial.com. Press Enter to navigate to the home page. Step 3. Click on the Login button. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you'll see fields to enter your email address and password. Type in the email address associated with your Sprout Social account. Then, enter your password. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any login issues. Step 5. Click the Login button. After entering your email and password, locate the Login button below the fields and click on it. Wait a moment for the system to authenticate your credentials. Step 6. Troubleshooting if needed. If you encounter any issues logging in, you can click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 7. Explore Sprout Social. Once logged in, you can start exploring the features of Sprout Social. From managing your social media accounts to analyzing your performance, everything is just a few clicks away. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tutorials.